So why do my Fearless Agent coaching students out-earn other agents by so much so easily? Well, part of it is our industry doesn't help. You know, in every issue of Realtor magazine, I count up the number of full-page articles or ads on two topics. One would be technology, and the other would be sales skills. In every issue, there's probably 10 full-page articles or ads on technology, and I don't think in all my years in real estate I've ever seen a single article or ad about sales skills, what I call not marketing, sales skills. Now, on my real estate license, when I got into the business many, many years ago, it said salesperson right on the license. It says for sale on the sign. This is the sales business, but if you want to learn sales in the real estate industry and you don't learn it from me, you probably are not going to learn it. So Fearless Agent is about coaching you, training you on sales, not a bunch of manipulative stuff, the stuff you're used to, that gives salespeople a bad name, but how to help people get what they want, persuade people to do what's best for them, and ultimately, if you help enough people get what they want, you're going to get what you want too. So if you want to find out what the secret to sales, the science of sales is, you can call me directly on my cell phone at 480-385-8810. We'll do a complimentary coaching call. I will not be closing you at the end because that's not what sales is all about. You'll decide if it's a good fit for you. If it is a good fit, you'll get rich. If it's not a good fit, we'll admit that to each other, and I'm still happy to help you in any other way I can. For example, you could go to fearlessagentpodcast.com and subscribe to that. You can go to fearlessagent.tv, which is where you are now probably, subscribe to our videos. You can go to fearlessagent.com, watch all the videos on my website, and that guaranteed would be much better coaching for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. So give me a call when you get a chance, and let's see if we can make you a fearless agent. Thanks.